Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to talk about the best types of water dispensers and feeders for bird breeding. Stay with us until the end of the video. Let's start with water dispensers. The most important thing when choosing a good water dispenser is that it should prevent contamination. Most of the waters available in the market meet this standard, but there's one very important thing you must keep in mind. Never place a perch directly above the water dispenser when attaching it to the cage. Why? Because the bird may sit there, poop, and the droppings could fall right into the drinking area, contaminating the water. That's harmful and dangerous for your birds. Another essential tip: use graduated water dispensers instead of basic ones. Why? Because with graduated dispensers, you can accurately measure dosages for vitamins, medicines, or supplements that you add to the water. It makes calculations easy and reduces the risk of overdose or underdose. Now let's move on to seed feeders. The best feeder is the one that makes eating easy and clean for the bird. That means you should be able to refill it easily. The bird should also be able to access and eat the seeds comfortably. Most traditional feeders on the market have one problem. When finches eat seeds, the husks mix back with the seeds inside the feeder. This forces the bird to keep searching for edible seeds and creates mess and frustration. So, what's the solution? I highly recommend using automatic or mechanical feeders available in the market. They work in a way that when the bird eats, seed husks fall through a mesh into a tray below, keeping the main seed chamber clean and husk-free. This has two major benefits. The seeds stay clean and are easier for birds to eat. The bottom of the cage won't get filled with husks, making cleaning much easier for you. Also, most of these feeders have a storage container, which means you can fill them once and it may last up to a week depending on the number of birds. Another point to consider: make sure the feeder is designed in a way that birds can't perch over it and poop into the seeds. Again, mechanical feeders solve this problem too. Since the feeding tray is lower and birds can't perch over the feed outlet, it prevents contamination and keeps your birds safe from eating dirty seeds. So that was everything about choosing the right waterer and feeder for breeding birds. Thanks so much for staying with us until the end of the video. Please share our channel with your friends, especially those who are active in bird breeding. If you found this video through search or the Explore page, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable bird care tips. In the upcoming videos, we'll continue sharing useful and practical information for breeders. So, stay with us. Wishing you health and success.